Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can share notes and collaborate on your iPhone. So to share, you're just going to press the three dots on the top right corner of your screen, and you are then going to press send a copy. Here you'll then just send a copy to somebody you want to like a person you want to send the notes to. But if you want to collaborate, you're just going to press the three dots, and then after that you're just going to press share note, and then you're going to press choose how you'd like to send your invitation. I'm going to choose WhatsApp, and then after that I'm just going to wait for it to upload, and then after that you're going to pick a person by pressing the plus button, or you can just type their email or phone number there, and then once you've added people, you're just going to press continue, and only people you add will be able to access this note. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!